Hello, all the first-time homebuyers and also renters out there who may be looking for a video on how to unclog a toilet. Because, a lot of people just don't know the right way to do it. And to avoid having a spill overflowing your toilet all over the bathroom floor, I'm going to go through some steps right now that have always worked for me and that I know will work for you too. Before I get into that, I want to talk about plungers because we're going to be using a plunger in this video. Now, I'm putting a picture of a plunger up here. It's the plunger you may have seen in your house growing up. This plunger is not effective. So do not, if you have one of these plungers, get rid of it. I don't care what you do with it, but you need to get yourself one of these. And I'm going to link to it in the description. And the reason why I like this one is twofold. One, you've got this piece here that will fit inside the toilet hole, and then this piece around the outside will seal the water in. But also, this is deep. Now, you may have seen other videos like this where the guy's using a short one. I like the deep one because this will fill up with water and you can really push and push that water down into the toilet drain to help loosen the clog. Anyway, that's about plungers. We're going to come back to this in a minute, but right now I'm going to tell you what you need to do first the moment you realize you've got a clog in your toilet. The first thing you should do is take the lid off of the back of the toilet before you flush again. Okay, that's what you want to do, and you want to see whether you have a canister or a flapper, because if you flush this again, what you might do is flush it, and you might find that the water is rising up faster, and it's about to spill over. And the only way to stop that is to stop the water from going from the tank to the bowl, and that's by pushing the flapper down or the canister. So now that we got that over with, now this toilet is not clogged right now, but and I couldn't clog it for the video. I've just been eating too healthy lately, and I tried as much as I could. I couldn't clog this toilet today. So what the first thing you would do is, rather than go right in with the plunger, I'd want to fill this with water to the right below this line here. So the rim is about 1.5 inches thick, okay? And you want to go right to the bottom of the rim. Not the top here, but this part, because then the water level in the toilet will be higher than the water level that's in the pipe that goes out like this. And the water pressure itself could push the clog loose. So that's the first thing you'll try to do. So I have a bucket of water. I'm going to try not to spill it. Okay. And in this case, obviously it drained out because, like I said, there's no clog. But you would fill this thing up, and then hopefully the clog will get freed there. If it doesn't, then we're going to have to come back and use the plunger. If you're finding this to be helpful, please hit that like button for me. Okay, so now, like I said, this thing is what fits in the hole, and you want to make a tight seal around the rest of the opening in the toilet. And the first thing I'll do is I'll push down 2 times slowly, and if it doesn't release the clog, then I'll be doing a couple quick pulses without lifting the plunger out of the hole, leaving it in the hole, a couple quick pulses to push water in to force it through. 1, 2, and then like that, okay? And then hopefully that is what's gonna finally release it. If it doesn't work, sometimes what'll happen is it'll push some of the water through, but you still have the clog, because there's a clog down there, but it wasn't fully closing up the hole, and you just push some water in. In that case, you can try flushing again and watch that water come up, and make sure it doesn't come up over the bowl. And otherwise, if it's starting to look that way, you push the flapper or the canister down, then come back with the plunger again. And so you keep repeating that until you finally clear the clog. Okay, wasn't that easy? Have you had difficulty clearing a clog before? Please let me know down in the comments. If you're trying to clear a clog right now and you need help, put something in the comments and I'll hopefully see it quickly and we'll respond back to you. And this is not a hard thing to do. You just have to take the right steps like I just called out. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please hit that like button and subscribe for me. Hope you have a great day.